Alright, so I'm unsure the route I'm gonna take with this R33 as far as performance and power. So what I do in the meantime, I like buying little tidbits here and there to try to restore this car. So what I have this time is this door latch anchor right here. Usually there's supposed to be some rubber, you see that, the rubber on it, but obviously 3 years old, grill is cracked. Okay, you can't just replace the rubber, you have to buy a whole new one of these. So I went online on eBay and I purchased it. You know, it's aftermarket, it's not OEM, but you know, whatever that spell is close enough to Nissan. Pretty sure if I try to order this from the Nissan dealer, I'll get rid. I mean, I have to edit that out. I will get, if I would try to order this from the Nissan dealer, I would be forcefully penetrated unwillingly. Therefore, just purchase this off of eBay. It was like 13 bucks. I'll post a link to this in the description if you're interested. It just comes off with 2 Phillips screws. You're gonna need a heavy-duty screwdriver that you can turn with a efficient amount of force. I'm using my impact driver, but without the impact, it is heavy and sturdy. Now, why would you want to change this? Well, 1, it's cheap. 2, it'll ensure the door closes tightly, and 3, it will reduce the noise a little bit, the sound of the door closing. There's one hand. So make sure you keep that plate, and plate has a lip on it, and you see it goes on with the lip facing outwards. Snug a little bit. Top snug a little bit. I'll bring that son bitch all the way home. Then, just like to spray a little bit with silicone spray or WD-40, whatever have you. That's that. I'll put the link in the description. Paid about $13 each for it, so they came out to like 27 and some change. Let me know what you think. Any questions or comments, please subscribe, etc., etc. Have a nice day. Good night.